In this video, I want to show how you can take a design from Thingiverse or any other STL, maybe from Fusion 360. Use this website here to voxelize it to make it into cubes. You can change the dimensions of it depending on how much resolution you want on your design. Of course, then you're going to have a lot of blocks that you would need. And then how to bring that into Minecraft so that you can get some markers here telling you where to put each of the blocks. All right, now let's see how it works. So just like in Foxy's markers thing, you take an armor stand, you place it, then you equip it with a cobblestone, and then we'll see that we have the same layers that we saw in the voxelization. Now it can be difficult to actually place these things because the layers kind of overlap. So here you kind of have, makes it hard to see it a little bit. So if we go back here to the armor stand and pose it to the next one, then we only get the even ones, which will make it a lot easier to place your blocks here. So now we can go ahead, nope, not there, boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. So then this layer here will be wrong, but if we go up here, we can now see that the next layer is available over here. This yellow layer will be the next one over. So for example, if we go boom. All right, so here, not quite there. There we go. We don't actually want it there. We wanted it there. Because notice here how the graphic kind of goes through the middle of the cobblestone and so on. Right, and then we're ready to go back and do the odds. We go back to the stand. Where are you? There you are. Then, oops. We come over here, pose it again, and we will see that we have the odd layers. So then we can go ahead and fill in these next layers here. So for example, boom, and boom, boom, getting rid of that guy because we didn't actually want him. Doom, boom, 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 and so on. And then you can then go ahead and pose it again, and we'll again get all three of the, all of the layers, the even and the odd. So basically it cycles between all, then even, then odd, then all again, and so on and so forth. So now that you basically see how it goes, you can see that the code is here on my GitHub, for which I'll have a link. MMCCOO Minecraft Blueprints. Basically what you want to do is use this Python script here in this directory gen image. It takes a couple of arguments. Voxel path will be the path to the JSON file that you would save here, which you can do that here, save as JSON. Make sure that you have this thing here enabled. If you run this script on that path, then it will generate a file that you're going to want to have in the textures directory, which goes here. You want it to be called gen, which is basically what it does, but if you run the script in this directory, then it'll automatically overwrite it. Once you've done that, you're going to want to zip this entire directory structure, rename it to have the extension mcpack, and then you can import it into Minecraft just like any normal add-on. Now, this is a resource pack. It does not change behaviors, so achievements and all that are not affected. One thing to note that this resource pack is based on the fantastic resource pack published by foxynotail, the Minecraft markers resource pack. Hopefully this is helpful.